it may be criticism.
Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong today told the Assembly that the state government will soon notify the Town Vending Committee to identify a permanent place as vending zone. Replying to a zero-hour notice brought by Maulai legislator P.T. Saukmi on the fourth day of the autumn session, Tinsong said that this is being done so that the public at large does not suffer, as well as the street hawkers are able to earn their livelihood in a daily basis. Deputy Chief Minister also made it clear that there is no intention on the part of the government to remove the street vendors without providing them alternate location or place for them to vend and sell their products.
Numbers of vendors have been registered, identified in the 6 municipal towns. Since the rules has been notified by the government, Constitution of Town Vending Committee is in the process, and I'm sure within a short period of time, this will be done. So once this Town Vending Committee is in place, I'm very sure, sir, we will be able to identify, this very committee will identify a permanent place for the vending zones.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in the Assembly today advocated that all legislators